Students of class 10, I'll discuss now heights and distances. This is the continuation lesson. I'll solve sum number 9 of Selina Publishers book. It is concise mathematics. Sum number 9. A man on a cliff. So this is the cliff. Observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degrees. So this is 30 degree. So here is the man. Angle of depression is 30 degrees. So alternate angle will be 30 here, which is sailing towards the shore of the point immediately beneath him. So this is the shore of the point. This is the man. Under him, immediately under him, this is the point. So the boat is coming from this to this. From this point to this point it is coming. 3 minutes later, he found to be angle of depression of the boat found to be 60 degree. Assuming that the boat sails at a uniform speed. So from here up to here, this is the angle 60 degree, angle of depression. So alternate angle, this will be 60 degree. And it took to come from here and there is 3 minutes. It is told it took 3 minutes. 60 degree it has come. Now, assuming that the boat sails at a uniform speed, determine how much more time it will take to reach the shore. That means x distance will be what? What will be the distance x? How much more time required? That means this distance, to cover this distance, what time is required? The speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 50 meters. So this is the height of the cliff, 500 meter. We have to find the speed of the boat in meter per second. Now see, this is the diagram. Now tan 60, this triangle you take, you can give name A, B, C. Then tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular is 500 and base is x. X I have considered, let x is this distance. So tan 60 value root 3 equal to 500 by x. Now x equal to 500 by root 3. Root 3 will go down, x will come here. Then you can do root 3 by root into root 3 by root 3, then root 3 will be 3. So 500 by 3 into root 3. Then do 500 by 3 into root 3 value 1.732, or you direct put root 3 value 1.732 and divide and get value of x. Then this triangle you take, big triangle, tan 30. This angle is 30, so tan 30 equal to perpendicular 500 by base is this x plus y. And here value of x you got, so put the value of x. Cross multiply this into 1 and root 3 into 500. So this 288.6 will go right side, will be subtracted. Root 3 value you put, multiply, you will get this result minus this. So this is the value of y. You see, speed equal to distance by time. If you take, now time equal to distance by speed, this is the distance and speed is 3.2 here already done. Speed equal to distance by time, because distance, if you take y distance, see here, speed we got from here, speed equal to distance by time, you take y distance we have got this, put the value, by time is 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes means 3 into 60. 3 into 60. So it will be 3.2 meter per second. Now time equal to distance by speed equal to, you put the value and get the time. So this is the answer. Then do this sum. A person standing on a bank of a river observe that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. this is 60 degree. When he moves 40 meter away from this point, he is coming 40 meter away. This 40 meter away, 440 m, 40 meter away, the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. From here to here, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree correct to 2 decimal places, the width of the river. Height of the tree x I consider, width of the river y I consider. You can write let here, let here. Then tan 60 equal to perpendicular by base, that is x by y, that is done. Tan 60 value is root 3, put here. Then cross multiply, x into 1, down nothing is there means 1, so x equal to root 3 y. Now here tan 30, this is the triangle, tan 30 equal to perpendicular x by base is 40 plus y. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Now do cross multiplication, this into this, root 3 into root 3, that is 3y equal to 14 plus y. Y will go that side, so it will be 3y minus y, 2y equal to 40, that means y equal to 20. This value you put, so 20 root 3 is the value of x. Now in the question it is told you have to convert into decimal and correct to 2 decimal places. So here you have to put the value of root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. Put here and multiply and correct up to 2 decimal places. That is the answer. Then sum number 13. The length of the shadow of a tower standing on level plane is found to be 2y meter. Larger when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, when it was 45 than when it was 45 degree. So 45 degree is the altitude, then the length I consider x. When 30 degree is the altitude, then shadow length this. So it is larger than the previous one. So this length is 2y. This length is 2y. We have to prove that the height of the tower is, that means h I considered is equal to y into root 3 plus 1 meter, we have to prove. So this is the triangle I have drawn. ADC is the shadow when the sun's altitude is 45 degree. This CD is x I considered, and when the altitude is 33 degree, then the shadow BD is equal to 2y plus x. Now if you take triangle ACD, then tan 45 equal to perpendicular by base, that is h by x. H by x. So if you put tan 45 degree value 1, then h equal to x, give equation number 1. Now triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular h by base 2y plus x, that is written here. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3, h by 2y plus x equal to h, that I put here. Now cross multiply, root 3 into h equal to 2y plus h keep left side, so you take common, then it is coming root 3 minus 1. Then h equal to 2y by root 3 minus 1. Thirds free you make, that means you multiply root 3 plus 1 both numerator and denominator. So denominator it is coming a square minus b square formula, that is root 3 square minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 to cancel, so y into root 3 plus 1. This is the height, and told that prove that this. So already we have got proved. So this is done. That's all for this video.